Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making breakfast enchiladas. This recipe is inspired by our dear friends Jennifer and Dorotea. Stu and I were visiting Los Cabos in Mexico, and we stayed at their hacienda, and they made this beautiful breakfast dish. The recipe, or at least my take, will be in the description below. Feel free to adjust, customize these breakfast enchiladas as you wish. We do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and of course our YouTube channel, Little House of Beans. Please smooshy that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. There is also a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. I'm ready to cook. Let's honor our dear friends, Jenny and Dorotea.
Arriba!
Woo!
Con el calor de tus manos, con el sabor de tu boca, suelto y me entrego a tus brazos. Siempre he deseado amar así. Me entrego a ti, como el sol se entrega al mar. Cuando te vi, fue algo en ti que reconocí. Amar así, amar así, amar así, amar así.
So for this recipe, Jenny used jalapeno cream cheese. I did not have any, so I did have cream cheese, and I chopped up one jalapeno and I mixed it in the cream cheese, and voila. Feel free to use any kind of cream cheese, herb, garlic, whatever your heart desires.
Con el sabor de tu boca, suelto y me entrego a tus brazos. Siempre he deseado amar así. Me entrego a ti, como el sol se entrega al mar. Cuando te vi, fue algo en ti que reconocí. Amar así, amar así, amar así.
Now I understand this will take a little bit more time instead of using an entire tortilla, but I think this looks so pretty.
Me entrego a ti, como el sol se entrega